Hey guys, how's it going today? Hope you're all having a good one. Thank you for checking out the channel today. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a new simple product install on the Jeep Wrangler. It should be fairly quick and easy, so hopefully this will be a nice short video. If you've been following along on my channel, you would have noticed in the most recent videos that I'm actually missing the RockSlider Gen 3 Power Steps. And the reason is because I've now installed the AccuAir JL air suspension system. This lift system basically allows me to adjust the height of the vehicle. So when I'm entering or exiting the vehicle, I can simply just lower it down to make it nice and easy to get in and out of. So because of that, it makes no sense to have the power steps. And to be honest, we've all seen that Jeep or that truck out there that has the one power step stuck down. And I just don't want to be that person or have to deal with that problem. So I figured it made perfect sense to sell them while they're still pretty much brand new and find myself a pair of non-adjustable steps. The steps I decided to go with are actually a Mopar product. They are the Mopar Performance Rock Rails, and they go for about $1,200. I was actually lucky enough to find myself a pair of used ones for almost half the price. The only thing I had to do was purchase the hardware or find what I needed to install. So what we're going to do today is install these very quickly. And to do that, we're actually going to raise the Jeep up. Right now it is on the lowest level. So we're going to raise it up, make it nice and easy to bolt those rock rails up. So let's get at it. So guys, I was not lying when I said the install was going to be simple. You can see both sides are already installed. It was easy bolt-in procedure, especially when you already have the old steps removed. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I think these have a lower profile than the RockSlider ones, and I like that. I know the RockSlider ones have the power step, but from a up position, these are definitely sleeker design. They still function to the point that they need to. I would also say that these cover the entire pinch seam, where the RockSlider ones only went to about here, and then the rest was visible. So I'm happy that these cover the entire body line. From a step functional point, they seem to work. Right now we're at level 3 height, our highest preset, and these steps would be perfect for me just to get in and out without changing the height. If we were to change the height for somebody who needs to, let's see what that looks like. So let's drop this down and see where this step lines up with the knee. So we're going all the way down to aired out. This is the lowest setting, but this is the setting I would use, say, if I had somebody who wasn't tall or needed help getting in. Basically, lower it all the way down, and the step would then be pretty low, because for me, it's below my knee. You can see here, which makes it pretty easy to get in and out. And when you open it, you can see you pretty much can use the step and then step in. So pretty helpful. Glad I put these on. Think they're going to help. They're definitely better than the Rubicon stock ones, but for me, I didn't need the RockSlider ones, which were an amazing product. Nothing wrong with them. They just didn't make sense for me to have. At this point, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. So if you have not already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified of when the next video gets posted. For this video, please like and share it. If you have any comments, feel free to post them below and I'll do my best to answer them. But at this point, guys, I'm going to have to call this wraps, and I'll see you guys on the next video.